How to add contacts on WhatsApp web. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add contacts on WhatsApp web. But before we begin the video, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. That would help us out a lot. Alright, so in order to add a contact on your WhatsApp web, there is no active option where you can easily add a contact. So in order to do that, you will have to download an extension to your browser which allows you to add contacts. So let's see which extension that is. So you want to open up a new tab right here and search for Chrome Web Store. And once you do that, you are just going to open up your Google Chrome's Web Store. Now, here on the search bar, you are going to search for InTouch app. And this is the first one, which has a 4.0 rating. You're just going to open up this extension and add it to your browser. Now just click on Add Extension, and it will start downloading right here. Alright, so once this has been added, what you want to do is go ahead and refresh your WhatsApp chats or your WhatsApp web. And now just wait for it to load. So while this is happening, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so you can even download it on your phone or download extension on your phone's browser as well. So after it has been downloaded, you can just refresh your WhatsApp. And now you should see something like this right here. So here you have an option to save all of the unknown numbers. And if you click on this auto, you will have to log in first. And once you log into your InTouch apps account, you will get an option to add contacts or even rename your contacts and everything. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next video.